What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $sign Locs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. So, as you can see, we are here with the French roll. Okay, we got the French roll going. All right, and we have the top of the crown. It's gonna bring all the hair forward. Okay, just like so. As you can see, all the hair forward, just like so. Okay, flatten it out, bring it forward. So first things first, we're gonna take that hair and we're gonna separate it into 3 sections, okay? Just like so. You know, to do a plait. Now, if you haven't seen my video, how to do a flat plait, please check it out right here. I'm definitely going to be pulling from that lock styling technique while doing this here. So once you get your 3 sections, okay, we're going to begin plaiting this. And we're going to keep it as flat as possible. And as we're plaiting, we're going to be curving the plait. So just pay close attention. We're going to start just like so. Okay. Keeping it flat. All right. Keeping those locks side by side as much as we can. All right. We're doing a plait. I'm going to bring it over. We did 1 stitch. Bring it up for you guys. 1 stitch. Now notice how this is flat. We want this to stay flat. We want everything to be flat. Okay? That was the first stitch. Next, we're going to bring this stitch over, keeping everything flat, okay? And we're not going to pull anything. We're just going to literally just bring it over, very loose, with ease. Just like so. Flat. Okay, it's like so. And remember, we're curving this, so everything's going to curve. I'm going to do that, come down. We're going to continue, try and keep that flat. And we're curving up, just like so. Okay. That comes down. We're going to continue our plait. This comes over, just like so. And we're going to bring that upward, okay? We're going to bring that up. Hope you guys are following me. We're going to bring that up, just like so, because we're curving this plait, okay? So I'm bringing that up, this up. This is going to come down, just like so. We're going to continue to curve that plait, okay? So we're going in the direction that we want to go. It's like so. We're going to curve that hair upward. We're going to try and keep it as flat as we can. Curve that upward. Just like so. Okay? We're going to continue. Alright? Curving that plait. We're coming down. Just like so. Okay? Still curving upward. Okay? We're going to take that bottom, we're going to bring that up. Trying to keep it flat as possible. Same. Okay. Still going upward. Still going upward. Okay. Notice that hair curving upward. That's what we want. We're going to plait that. Just like so. Same thing. We're curving upward. Try and tuck that straggler. We're going upward, just like that. So here I want to take a moment and say, if you have any stragglers, don't worry about that. We will polish it up at the end, because naturally when it comes to locks, everyone has different lengths of locks. No one's locks are the exact same length unless you cut them that way. So we're going to continue plaiting up, straight up. Okay. in. We're coming toward the end of the plait, so I'm just going to let it down a little bit because it's already curved, okay? Okay. So, here we are at the end of the plait. We're going to take a rubber band, just secure that there. We have a few stragglers, like here and here. Don't worry about that. We're going to go ahead and secure that up. Now, I want to take a moment to mention that you can see the rubber bands here because the hair is red. If your hair was black, you would not be able to see the rubber bands, or if you had a darker color, you wouldn't be able to see the rubber bands, okay? So, just keep that in mind. You can also use clear rubber bands if you are a person with a light color hair like this. So once we create our flat plait, we're basically going to leave it flat. We're going to bring it over and we're going to lay it right on the side, and we're going to bring that up just over top of the French roll, okay? Just like so. We're going to take a pin, stick it right here to secure that plait straight down, okay? To secure the top here, if you guys can see, her head down a little so you guys can see the top. I stuck a pin here. I'm going to stick a pin here. I'm just going to take the end and just kind of tuck it a little right in that nook if I can. I'm going to take a pin and secure that. There. See the straggler here? We're going to tuck that straggler. We're going to just tuck that straggler behind. See this one here? We're also going to tuck that straggler, just like so, okay? And the next step is to just lay this flat here. You just, because you want this to be flat to the head, and it's okay for it to cover the ear slightly. That's the way it's supposed to look. We are just going to bring that to the head, all right? Flatten it to the head. Let me turn it around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to press it to the head, just like so, okay? See what I mean? Yeah. In order to eradicate that, we're going to press it down. We're going to take a pin, and we're literally going to pin this plait right here on the side, just like so, right behind the plait. Can't see it. Sticking the pin, we're not going to stick it straight down. We're going to kind of stick it to an angle so it's right under the plait, into the plait, flat to the head. I can do one here. Y'all know I'm a perfectionist, right? Y'all see this one lock down here? It's bothering me, so I'm going to fix it. That's better. That is a lot better. So, Loc Nation, there you have it. First, really simple,